So our pig trap's done. Yeah, door's set. This is what the trigger, how the trigger works, door works, tripwire. So tripwire set at the back. So the pigs will feed in. There'll be a little bit of food at the back, and then they'll make their way through, and then they'll hit this tripwire while they're feeding. Righto, so we have just come down the trap. We've got a bit of dry corn in there, and it's been in there for about 3 days. There is some stuff eating it. I'm down here with the boys, Lockie? Bought the gun just in case. But this stuff here, this is our mix. So we've got cracked corn, beer, we've got a bubbling away.
Delicious.
What else is in there, mate? Cordial?
Beer.
Beer.
More beer.
So we're going to put it around and yeah, see if we can lure some in, and we'll set the trap and
where's the tripwire?
so fair to say we got the big old boar. Wow, look at the size of this bugger. He is massive. Wow. Anyway, far out. Imagine coming across him when you're bow hunting through the bush. He's bloody huge. That's wicked. Trap held up so good. This is cool, eh? This is awesome. Whew. Wicked. Let's get rid of this guy and let's start trapping some pigs. Wicked. So